How to upload images in Canva. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now I've opened an empty document. Here, if you want to upload image, there are several ways to do so. The first way is to open File Explorer and locate the image. Now simply drag and drop the image in your document. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Now the next method is you want to click on the upload option over here, then select images. Then click on upload an image or video option. Now the file explorer will open up. Here you want to select the image and then click on the open option. Now simply click on this image and it will be uploaded over here. You can also click on the three dots over here. Then you can upload a folder. You can use Dropbox, Google Photos or Google Drive to upload your image. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.